Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Organized by Darcy, where we take the very simple and inexpensive and make it elegant. I am so excited today because I'm participating in yet another collab, and this one is hosted by Christina from the DIYmommy.com. Now it's an outdoor DIY and decor challenge, and if you have never heard of Christina or her channel before, then you're in for a treat. Let's get started. Let's get started with this outdoor DIY and decor project. First, I went to our local 99-cent store, and these are some of the items I purchased at the 99-cent store. I got 4 of these paper lanterns that I'll use here as well. I got 8 of these really nice plants. Then I got this sign that said summertime, and I got this other sign that said be happy, and of course there's a B-E-E on there as well. Then I got these really cute wind chimes, 4 to be exact. They're in different colors, and I'll be able to use those as well. So this is what the outside area looks like right now. And then I'm going to spend maybe an hour or so redoing the entire area, and then as soon as it's finished, we'll come back, take a look, and we'll enjoy the backyard, of course. So let's take one more look at the before. Everything is on this little table right here I'll be able to use, and in no time be able to put it together. The weather is really nice today. It's a little bit cloudy, but other than that, it's a beautiful day. So let's get started on the entire area and putting this project together. First, let me say a big thank you to Christina for hosting this collab. I'm always excited to participate in any challenges that Christina does. She is very knowledgeable in the areas of DIY, home decor, and so much more. So please go over to her channel, see the playlist that she has, subscribe to her channel, as well as the other participants if you like what you see. And let's get started. Welcome to my outdoor DIY and decor. I'm so happy that you're able to join me today for this tour. So as we start right here at this dining table here, as you can see, it's set for 4. It's going to be Memorial Day on Monday, so I thought I would just get an overview of what it's going to look like here in the outdoor for Memorial Day. As we move along, you'll see that everything is in bloom here. These are the lanterns that I purchased at the 99-cent store last week and put them all together for this tour. Most of the items that I purchased are on the other side of the barbecue, so we'll move right along over to this. Is the B. Remember I said we purchased this B, happy, the sign that says B, B-E-E. And of course there's this other sign that says summertime, so very appropriate, I think, for the season here as well. This is our second table here that I've decorated. I've put most of the items here are things that I already had, so there's nothing new on here. But on the barbecue here, there are more lanterns, and these are the plants that I put together. So these were the 8 plants. I put them in 2 different baskets here. and the lanterns, of course. This is the other basket here, that each basket has 4 plants. So this area is all decorated for Memorial Day on Monday. And the plants are all in bloom. So appropriate, I think, as well, that everything looks so springtime and ready for summer. So I hope you'll take some time, of course, to subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so. Again, thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, of course. And I really look forward to seeing you next time, next Friday that is, in my next video. Again, take care. And I'll see you next week. Bye for now. This is our outdoor space that we enjoy so much.